No.
Any more preparations that we can do?
We could actually manufacture a piece of wood in between here. And we can lift it like that. Look, it's just done. And also the reason for us going ahead with lifting it ourselves is that the crane couldn't be here until Monday. And I think stuff is already happening, isn't it?
You're lifting yourself.
Okay. So the springs are lifting me. I don't like the sound flow this one makes. Let's have a bigger one that I don't have to tie a noose. Okay. Frame actually bent like, I'd say 5-6 centimeters. The arrangement for the gas pedal. She's free. It means that one part is stuck to the engine and one part is attached. Really bad. It's like everywhere. My thought now is that we should try to hold the car together. The body is not a car, it's a truck. Yep, it works. It's close again. I could actually hear all the rust moving there. Jesus.
Heavy?
Yeah.
Impossible?
No,
So yeah, back to 5.
Now I look inside to see if the center has separated. It has moved, but not that much.
I was expecting it to be like the 5 centimeters beneath the body or something.
Or do we have 2 more bolts from the inside?
Yes, I think so.
No.
So
There's nothing there. Oh. But I took the bolts from underneath. I've been there. I think there's going to be quite a lot of tension in these ones.
yeah, I think we should lower things a little bit before we do that.
So we lower the whole thing down even more?
Yeah.
Are you guys okay?
Yeah.
I think finally the body is loose. Oh my god, 2 volts. Oh, but this will make it so much easier to work with.
Yes.